Endless lectures, projects, assignments, keeping up with parents' anticipation, chasing school recognition, fierce competition, sleepless nights, nervousness, anxiety, and many more. This is where all of these result in academic pressure.
The average student in the Philippines faces an extraordinary amount of pressure when it comes to academics. For many students, the pressure to perform in school is more than just to succeed.
It's a feeling that if they don't meet the expectations of their teachers, parents, and peers, they will be looked down upon.
This pressure can lead to a number of issues for students such as feeling of isolation, depression, and even suicide. It's time for us to take a stand and advocate against overwhelming pressure that many students are facing in school. We need to create an environment that is welcoming and supportive, where students are encouraged to do their best and to strive hard for excellence without the fear of failure.
We need to ensure that students have access to counseling services and extracurricular activities.
Spending time at a cafe, being with friends and family, or exercising can help reduce stress from school. Success is not just about grades, but also about skills and confidence for life. Let's work together to lessen pressure in schools and make learning more positive for students.